now we are in the Tanger, Medina. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I forget what I'm gonna say.
I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Felt and welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. In today's video, it is gonna be days in the life in Tanger. Here in the Tanger, Medina, we're gonna enter the entrance. My name is Felt. If you are new, welcome to my channel. The Tanger Medina is different from all the others Medina in Morocco. If you have seen my first Medina vlog in my Rabat Medina vlog, you will notice that it is not the same. The Tanger Medina is very different. But we are here, we're just gonna walk around, ask for prices, see things. It is my first time coming to the Tanger Medina, so let's have fun together. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Touch the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys for all the support and love. So let's just have fun and enjoy our time. This is so nice.
We have different size. We have a 2x4 piece, 3x5, 4x6, 5x7. Those are 6x9. And we have 8x11. And the biggest 10x14. And that is one of the beautiful carpets.
Yeah, this is the most beautiful.
That's a killing. You know, killing made by the new
This was made by hand, right?
All by hand. This takes over a year to make, 1 year with one person.
Yes.
And the lady who made it, she works only 3 hours a day.
Wow.
Because the workmanship is very hard for the eye, for the hands.
Yeah.
Look the back of its piece. It's all hand embroidery.
Yeah.
It's cashmere and mohair wool.
Wow.
It's beautiful.
So how much is this, for instance?
This costs 3,500 euro, includes shipping, insurance.
Euro?
Yes.
Wow. 20,000 dirhams.
25,000.
25,000. There is another floor.
Yes.
We go and see.
Yes, it's same as here. Take your time.
It's same as this place.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay.
And we have a throws here, the throws. It's a beautiful with the track itself. It's like a gift from mom.
Yeah. Okay.
The bit with the pad covered.
I said you should start working with him. Yeah, I'm looking for a job though.
You can work with us here.
Really? But I don't live here in Tanger. I live in Killintra.
You don't have to live here.
I'll come to live with you.
Why not?
Hi people, today is another day. We are going to the Tanger mall. So I decided not to vlog the entire mall because I have the first mall video and I have the Rabat mall video, so you can check it out. And the reason why I decided not to vlog the entire place is because most of the shops that are in the Rabat mall in First Mall are in here. No need to explain the same thing, to show you guys the same price and all of those things. But for the Tanger mall, it has 2 floors, the ground floor, the first floor, and the second floor. The first floor is the entrance to go in and come out. And then the second floor is another place where they have a lot of different shops. And then the last floor, which is the second floor, is where they sell food like McDonald's, KFC, and all of those small food. The thing that I like about this place is the decoration, the design that is hanging. When you are going up, you can see it, and then when you are coming back down, you can see the decoration. And I like the fact that they make this place feel like summer. So when you enter, you can feel like summer vibes from the mall in the decoration. But all the shops and the prices here are the same. saw the mall, we decided to walk around and we saw this cycle thing. I don't even know how to call it, but one person is 10 dirhams, two people is 20. If you want to take a picture, it is 5 dirhams. If you are sitting in this, you can see the beach view and you can also see the community view. And when you get in it, he puts the Moroccan hat on your head and he also put the traditional Moroccan cloth around your legs to cover your legs. Welcome back. So our train ticket is 8 o'clock and we still have what time? It is like, let me see the time. It is like 4 o'clock right now, so we have like 3 hours. We're just gonna sit at the beach because the beach is not far from here. We're gonna sit at the beach and chill, kill time until it is 8. Then we go to the car and pick our train. So let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach.